How to fix Chase app not working. If you had been using Chase application quite well so far, but for some reason it stopped working, the first thing you can try to check is your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch your cellular data and see if that helps you. If you're using any sort of VPN or proxy settings, make sure to disable or turn them off for the time being. After you've done that, you can try to restart the app by closing it from the background and open it again. If you use the Chase app on your Android, you can long press on the Chase app icon, tap this I button that says App Info, which will take you to the App Info page of Android. This setting will be found on any Android device. From here you can go to Storage and you can clear the cache files. And if clearing cache does not work, also try to clear the data. Clearing the data will log you out of your account, so you have to re-log into your mobile banking account again, so be mindful of that. But if you're using iPhone, you can just offload the app and see if that helps you. Last but not the least, open your Play Store or your App Store, search for the Chase application, check if it has an update, and if it does, make sure to update it to the latest version, and also restart your own phone or device to see if that helps you solve the problem. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.